This is how to assemble a corner wall. You only grab this piece and silicone the grooves. You'll want to lay that down, grab the top and bottom piece, slide it in like this, ensuring it stays flush with the groove so you can put the 1/4 inch back panel in, tack it into place. Again, there are pre-drilled holes here where you can screw into. Grab the other side, repeat the process, ensuring it stays flush with the groove. Once it's flush, tack it into place. Then you'll grab the 1/4 inch piece, the white on the inside, slide it into the groove. Then you'll grab the other identical piece, silicone the sides, making sure the part with the groove goes towards the back. Pop it into place. Make sure the front is flush and that back goes into both of the grooves. Once it's flush, tack it into place. Alright, at this step, you will flip the corner wall. Can easily be done with one person, just be careful. This piece you'll silicone the sides and the bottom. It should pop right into place. Tack it into place. Repeat the process with the other side. And again, we use 1 1/4 inch brad nails. Make sure that goes into place. And then tack it in. Now at this stage, I'll put it on its back. Grab the face and silicone the front, the back, and the sides. Then you put the face on, ensuring it goes into the grooves. It's popped in, it's sitting flush. Once you have it in, it's sitting flush, leave it for a few hours, and that concludes the corner wall build.